Alright, so this is gonna be my first trade recap video on the YouTube. Um, it's literally just for me. Just for me. I already journal all my trades on other softwares. I use Notion. I take pictures, all that stuff. But I kind of want to start doing the videos so I can like see like just extra stuff. I don't know. I thought it'd be cool. I got a new mic now on my headset, so we're gonna do it. Yeah, I'm gonna run you through pretty much what I was looking for today. Today's October 24th, so headed into today, pretty loose bias, not gonna lie. Um, when we are around all-time highs, I mean, I usually tend to be bullish always, like, unless proven otherwise, because all-time highs, it's just the thing. Um, we did get this 4-hour inverse to the upside last night, or in the overnight session. So I was paying attention to that, change of state there. We did actually take all-time highs pre-market. So after we took those, I was going to target those. I was kind of, I wanted to be bullish, and then I was kind of like, okay, well, we might actually fall back down into the range. Um, and kind of target this 4-hour gap, which is also what I was kind of looking at. So this 4-hour gap kind of London Asia low midnight open area is kind of I wanted to see us maybe if we were going to fall back down, um, which we did end up doing, which that's okay. Um, we had CPI and PMI today, so pretty packed news for both news days. Price action was pretty dog. Um, I'm surprised I didn't get screwed over more than I already did. It's a break-even day, but we'll get into that in a little bit. So we had this was CPI right here, so huge candle. So we got data high, data low put in, and this 15 minute uh was put in before market open. So this is kind of was after that got put in, that was going to be kind of the deciding factor for whether I wanted to be looking for some shorts or whether it be looking to target down here, like price is going to come down here, or if we're going to continue higher towards these data highs. So I wanted to see like, hey, if we're going to be bearish, I want to see us like close below this 15 minute, get strong displacement down, like down to this midnight open 4 hour, head down there. Or if we're going to respect it and go higher, I'd be looking for that, which is what we did. So, took two trades today. Both, yeah, I'll tell you about the first one. So, first trade is kind of the one that was the best trade in my opinion. Is my model, followed my rules, solid trade. I I'm a dummy. I don't know what the heck I did wrong. I messed up. It's user error is what happened. So pretty much market open right around here, 9:30. Yep. We come down, we tap into this 15 minute. We get a nice rejection candle right off of that, and we have an SMT with the S. So it's like, hey, we're ripping the data highs. So that's exactly what I was looking for. I was looking for an entry. So we get this inverse for value gap right here. Trying to slap a position on right there, which we closed above it on that candle right there. So I went, okay, yeah, I'll tell you what I did. So I went to go place an order, right? Buy, I went to go set my take profit and stop loss, right? And when I did that, I don't know why. It hadn't happened before. I guess I must have like messed something up in like another trade or like something. But the ticks here, bro, it was literally set on like 5 ticks per like the take profit and the stop loss. So, and this was already like this was like market open. Like we were already moving rather fast. So, or it was like a quick move. So as soon as I did that, I literally entered, and then it like hit the TP like instantly. But TP was literally like 5 points or something like that. Like it was stupid. So like I got boned out of that, and then by the time like I could even look to get another entry, like we were already like up here, which I mean I could have maybe entered right here, and change in the state, but like I mean yeah, I didn't really want to do that. So, plus we were already like here, so I pretty much got break evened on this trade right here. Otherwise, it was gonna be, stop right there. Nice little 1 to 2, like perfect. You'll love that. Didn't happen. It's all right. Next trade, I was kind of looking at here to see if maybe we wanted to like inverse this 2 minute gap and then run back down to these data lows, take some shorts. Really just was looking for displacement, which we didn't really have any. We were literally just yippee chopping. So after that, I mean, since this was like I usually only take one trade, or like I limit myself to one trade. But in like this scenario, I was like, hey, I'm okay to take another trade. So I realized that, and I was like, all right, I'll look for another trade. But like that's it. So make sure it's a good setup or something. So we get here, boom. Um, we get this SMT put in here with ES, right? ES takes us low, NQ doesn't. Looking to target these all-time highs again, or these stacked highs right here. Um, off this gap after finally getting some like movement down. We inverse this gap, boom, on the 1 minute, and then nice change the state, tap it, boom, long john that thing, something like that. Um, targeting these highs, and per usual, we got break even like right here. So I put my break even about right here after we got above this internal high. Um, and I got break even. We didn't push all the way up. We didn't have an SMT right here or anything or nothing. It just didn't want to go there. So probably on this trade, what I could have waited for is for us to tap back into the 15 minute maybe to even look for a trade and like see if we're gonna reject off of it again, which we did. Um, maybe could have caught something in there. Like right here we didn't. We just had SMT. So um, break even day. It's a break even week. No profits, no losses. Yeah. Today was not the best, gonna be honest. For all the news events we had, like price action was pretty choppy, but we managed to survive. So yeah, it was first trade recap in the wraps. I'm gonna keep doing these. It's just kind of a trade recap, trade journal, just thoughts over like price action on the day, just random stuff. So yeah,